Hey guys, today my membership has run out and I'm just going to show you what happens. Don't worry guys, I'll be getting a new one.
Hey Jammer, it looks like your Animal Jam Club membership has expired. Don't worry though, you can keep playing Animal Jam for free. You may have noticed that some of your items, animals, and features have been put into storage. You haven't lost them. They'll just be put away until you renew your club membership. In the meantime, choose which two animals you'd like.
Who should I be? I don't even know why I have these. These are just troll animals to troll people.
Are you sure these are the...
Yes, I'm sure.
Thanks for playing Animal...
No, thanks. I'm gonna tell some of my friends I lost membership. But I will get a new one. I can't wear my spike. It's so sad. I just want to wear my spike. I just want a new membership. Now I can't accept gifts. It didn't even give me a warning. And I didn't think like 6 months would go by so quick. I got a 6-month membership and now I can't even wear any of my member items. I don't have many non-member items. Now I gotta tell people I lost membership. A few seconds ago, I had membership. And now it's gone. I got no warning or anything. It didn't even say like that your club membership only has like 1 day. Now I have to tell Super Dookie I can't do many adventures with her. Anyways guys, bye.